there is absolutely no inflation in China today. China is actually in full-on deflation. So that means there are no constraints to policy making in China. Skip that to the U.S., and I can't remember how many months, but it essentially is 4 years now that the inflation rate in the U.S. has been above the Fed's target. Um, and so, and this in spite of frankly fairly low energy prices, very low food prices. You look at grains; they're like at 15-year lows, etc. So, in the US, you know that if energy prices start to pick up, now granted, you could say, well, it's not going to happen, etc. But let's just imagine that energy prices do start to pick up. If energy prices do start to pick up, then very quickly in the US, you're in a much tougher environment. So the ability of the U.S. government to run budget deficits of 6-7% of GDP, um, I would say that it's a dangerous policy to embrace when you're running already inflation rates of 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. You get to 3.5, you get to 4, that becomes very problematic very quickly.
I guess the challenge comes when, similar to what's happened in the US and Europe and the Western world, you have that lever, you have that lower interest rates or no inflation, so you can lever up